In this video, I'd like to show you how to send a blank messages like that in any messenger on your iPhone or on your Android. That's quite simple and easy, so let's begin. First, open up your browser and here type in blank Unicode to Google search and in search results open up site emptycharacter.com and here scroll down for a little and there you see method 1 copy with a button and just click on that button and go to any of your messenger. I will use the messenger on iOS. Select the text field and here just paste the code I just copied, and now I see that button to send message becomes active. I just tap on that and empty message was already successfully sent. I hope it helps you, so before you go, please like and subscribe.